Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, and today's video is about not giving up even when you're frustrated, guys. So last week I thought I was doing great. I was getting comfortable with the drone, but I don't know what happened. For 3 days in a row I was just crashing, man. I broke like all my propellers, I broke the frame, I broke a battery, and sometimes I was just not having fun. I was just like struggling and I could not get anything done. As soon as I take off, I would crash, and seeing all these pieces breaking up made me a little bit upset because every time it's more money to spend. So I took a few days off. I stopped flying for 3 days. I just could not fly anyway. I didn't have propellers. I have just received my new propellers. They're the Gemfan Wind Dancer 3028, and so today is my first flight out, and hopefully I will have fun and I can get over my frustration and just enjoy flying, guys. So yeah, I know crashing is part of the game and that's the only way you can move forward and learn, but when it just happens constantly, like batteries after batteries, and you keep breaking your equipment, it's very frustrating as well. So but I encourage everyone not to give up and push through and be strong, because everything that you do is going to help you in the future. So, and I know it's an expensive hobby, so you can spend quite a bit of money and more than you want to or that you need to, because like I said, as a beginner you just break stuff and it's not fun. So but anyway, let's go fly and see how it goes, and see if I get a good feeling, a positive feeling about it. And yeah, so let's take it off. Let's take it up in the air and see how it goes. Anyway, I enjoy this frame. It's a fucking best frame. Like, it's so much fun. It zips. It's a 4S battery again. Gemfan 3028. Gepard Speed X 1804, the 4S. And yeah, and then oh yeah, I will give you an update because I scratched the lens on my O3 camera, so I'm gonna send it back for repair and see how they deal with it, what they charge, and I will post it and make a video about it and let everyone know. It's a little frustrating that you cannot buy a lens yourself and just change it, because it's fairly easy to fix, but that's what DJI does, so there's nothing you can do about it. Anyway, in the meantime, yeah, the video is a little bit blurry because it's all scratch up, and there might be a little bit of jello as well because the lens is shifting and moving. So yeah, but anyway, let's just take it up in the air, see how it goes. Let's see if I can get some positive vibe and fly and have a good time, okay?
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't, that's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. By thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me